Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all having a very good weekend. This is actually a continuation video to the post we made in X, where we asked our subscribers to post any sector or any specific stocks they need analysis on. So we got a response from many of them. Some of them posted it, some of them DM'd us, and we thought instead of make in replying to each and every post or replying to the comments, why don't we make a one video so that it benefit all of us. I'll try to fit everything in one video. If it is not possible, we'll split it into two. So without any further delay, let's move to the stocks. So one stock we received for an analysis is Tata Motors. Tata Motors, I don't know if they are holding from a top level. I have no idea. So what is happening right now in Tata Motors? This is in a clear stage four. Okay, here it just formed a base. It formed a base from here, and it tried to move out of this base. So this caught me off guard. Okay, I mean I was expecting a stage two breakout from here and stock would move up, but instead it just gave a fake out and then came all the way down, and then the stage 4 is confirmed here when this is broken. So 800 level is a good support, but we have to see it is really in a bad shape, forming lower lows, lower highs. So if 800 is broken, then not much of a support, anything can happen. It can come up to 700 or maybe all the way to 590, I don't know, maybe to this level. There's no telling how much downside is left. So and they were asking whether we need to buy this dip. If I were you, I wouldn't buy this dip, because like I told you, it is in a stage 4. It is just continuously falling, and stock is not stopping anywhere. Let it stop somewhere. Let it stop anywhere, and then form a base before another move. Till that, it's wise to wait. Maybe stock can do this. Okay, it can move like this and then break up of this, or else what they can do is stock can consolidate here for some time and come down till here, no telling. So it's better to wait and then wait for a confirmation is either it should stop somewhere and then form a base. Till that time you need to wait, and stock is way below 50 dma, and it is way below, I think, all key DMAs. 200 is one major DMA, everybody is using that. Yeah, it is way below 200 DMA. And let's see what is auto sector doing right now. Auto sector is again not doing anything, it is just consolidating. Let's wait where this auto sector is going, whether it is going up or going down, and based on that we can make a decision. Till that time, no buying on this dip. Just wait and just let us wait for a confirmation. So moving on to the second stock, which is National Aluminium. National Aluminium, yes, metal sector. I prefer metal sector. I like metal sector. It is cyclical in nature. When it moves up, it moves up like crazy. When it comes down like crazy. It is very difficult to trade for short term. For long term players, this is fine. If you understand the cycle, this is a very good space. So National Aluminium is in decent structure. It is way above 50 DMA, and it is kind of consolidating here. And this was a good support region. It was earlier resistance, and it is broke out. I posted it in my channel X and everything. So it just broke out, and it's forming kind of higher high, higher lows. And one more thing you can see is that there's a trend line. Let me draw it. Okay, it is, 'it 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 is, forming head and shoulders, right? Don't you think so? This is head and shoulders. Not a very classic head and shoulders. Okay, I mean textbook kind of head and shoulders. You won't see that in real life. It is very difficult. Yeah, but nevertheless, it is somewhat similar to a head and shoulders, or maybe like it's contracting in this trend line. So this is a very good chart. I'll be keeping this on my radar. And here, there's one entry point, keeping this as SL somewhere around here, 200 closing basis. But again, no big bets yet. We don't know where market is going. And let's quickly move to the another one is GPT Infra. GPT Infra, I personally, I kind of stay away from such stock. Why? Because continuous LC, continuous UC. Problem with such stocks is that you might never know when something bad happens. It just come down, creating LC, lower circuit at pre-market itself, and you won't get a chance to get out of such stocks. So that is the main reason I'm very cautious. It's not like that I don't trade at all. I'm trading, but I'll be really cautious when I'm trading in this counter. And yeah, it was the trend was smooth actually, even though it was uh, hitting LCUC. It was above 50 DMA and was just riding this 50 DMA. It didn't violate that much. Even if it's violated, it was coming up very fast. So probably we can see that here also. See, if it came down from 50 DMA, moved up with good volume. Probably we can see here also, right? And right now, if you see, formed a base is broken. This could be a potential stage 4. So no fresh entry, no buying this dip. Okay, it can come here, or maybe it is creating a pivot here. If this is violated, if this 120 level is violated, it can come down all the way here. And let's see what is happening at this price range, 100 and 200 level. So for a confirmation, it has to be back to in this channel. Okay, and if you are hell bent on taking a trade, probably you can take a trade if it is breaking out with good volume somewhere around here, but limited quantity. Okay, ideal thing is to wait till here, let it break out of this box here, somewhere around here. When it is breaking, see, whenever it is breaking, what you need to see is that the volume. See, look at this volume. So you can say, if I'm initiating a trade, I'll be initiating somewhere around here. Okay, and look at the volume breakout. I'll be taking entry here. I am somebody who don't wait for close and all, but depends. Different people have different kind of style. If you are a very conservative trader, most of them will wait for a day close. I initiate a trade here, maybe 20-30% here, and then wait for a retest. And if it's again moving up, I'll take another quantity, and I'll be pyramiding. Once this is broken, I'll be adding further quantity. So whatever style suits you, you have to find it, and you have to trade it accordingly. For me, in this counter, no entry. I'll be personally, if I am trading, I'll be entering limited quantity here, because what happen is that once it is back into the channel, it can do ping pong here, no telling. So if you are swing trader, probably you can initiate a trade here, and somewhere around stock reach here, you can book profit. Or if you're a breakout trader, you wait for this level to be taken out. Till that time, no trade. Right now, this is in a stage 4. This is a possibility. It's a possibility. Okay, and you don't know how much downside is left. All these are possibilities. So watch which direction it is breaking out and initiate a trade based on that. And another one is AVG Logistics. Yeah, AVG again. You can say this is after a stage breakout from here, it moved really well, and it is right now trading below 50 DMA. And what kind of pattern we can see? This is a very big flag and pole. You can say it is a flag and pole. It's forming lower low highs. It tried to break out breaking out and then retesting this point. uh, no frustrate. If you want to trade, let it cross this with limited quantity and this point also, and this will be a safe bet. Okay, let the stock cross this point, and let it do something like this, till that time. What happen is that you don't know, the structure is not completely violated, the lower low structure is not completely violated. Once it breaks out and retest and goes up, then we can say that the structure is violated, it might be resuming its uptrend. And another stock is Star Cement. I think some of 2-3 people requested for this Star Cement. I think many of them are holding from top to 30 levels and all. Probably I think they must have got it from here. So Star Cement, the pattern is a bearish pattern. It's forming a head and shoulders, and this is a very good support zone. 190, 185, 80, 190, 180 region is very good support. 185 region is a very good support. But nonetheless, it's forming a head and shoulders. If this support is taken out, that is 190, it is taken out, then very good chance of it's coming all the way till 151. So if anybody is holding, I would suggest, if you get a close below 190 or 185, you can hold till 185. It's better to exit from this counter. And this could also happen if you exit from the counter next day, you'll just make a V-shaped recovery and keep on heading higher. But that is not in our hands. Sometimes it's better to take small loss, even though we are missing out a big trend. Sometimes, even if there is no clarity, it's better to sit in the sidelines and book a small loss than booking a very big loss. And why this support region is strong? Because whenever you see after this breakout, it came down, it broke the support and good volume, and it moved up, and again it came down to the support, spike from here, good volume, moved up. Similar, again it came down to this level, big candle forming, good volume, moved up. Similarly, again it came. So this thing is held. I mean, this support is being held, but the problem is it has been tested at multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 times it been tested. So fifth time, I don't know, maybe we may not be lucky. If it is not moving up, it might break this support. So that is why you need to exercise caution in this counter. Next is skipper. Skipper is, I miss this altogether. It was in a very super trend. I could have got this somewhere from here, and at this price point it was a very good entry point. I missed it totally, and I've been tracking it, but I keep on missing this. I don't know why. So it formed a head and shoulders here above 50 DMA, contracting above 50 DMA, head and shoulders, and breakout. Right now it is forming a base. It could be a stage 2 breakout or a stage 4 breakout. That is something which we need to wait and watch. If it is breaking out of this level, well and good. If it is breaking down, then you need to be careful. If any swing traders or anybody who is holding wanted to add on dip, this region is crucial. If it is coming down to here and then trying any showing any signs of reversal from here, any good candle, you can initiate small trade. So conservative safe traders wait for market stability and wait for this stage breakout. I always prefer this stage breakout. Even if I'm buying, I'll be buying very small quantity, let's say 10-15% of the amount which I'm about to put into this trade. I'll utilize only 10-15-20% max, not more than that, and I'll wait for this breakout. So one more stock I'll cover, and then the rest we will do it in a part 2, because the video length will be very high, very big, and you guys will be getting bored. Another one we got is Kalyan Jewelers. See, this is a Davos box, stage 3, and then stage 3 is broken out. So that is why when I'm telling everybody, you should watch out for this kind of pattern. this box. I love this base formation, and the bigger the base the better. So it just broke out from here, and then that was a very good move. How much it moved after the breakout? It gave close to, yeah, that is a very good return, close to 76 per 77 percentage. And then it is pulling back. 624 is a valid pivot, and it just came down from below 50 dma and closed here, and then a very good demand candle from this level. So this is a good support region now. Not a very good support region, but still a valid swing low. It moved above 50 dma, and it is spending some time above 50 dma. So if you want to enter, yeah, you could have entered in this breakout. Okay, this breakout somewhere around 700 region. Yeah, you can still, if you're getting around 700 region, you can try initiating a trade. And the risk is, I'll tell you where the I, ideal SL should be somewhere around here. Closing basis. Okay, closing basis. That is close to, yeah, put it around 11, 10, 11 percentage. And this will be our this is for a swing. Okay, this is for a swing. uh, we can expect the stock to move till here, and once this is broken out, you can add further, or maybe fresh entry is possible. And November season, and they will be coming out with the result. And November season is a lot of marriages and all, so the result might be good. This is just my speculation. Okay, I could be wrong, so don't base your trade based on my analysis and my view. The point is, I'm just sharing it for educational purposes. You should analyze, and you should do your due diligence. So for me, this could be a valid entry with the stop loss. So once this is breaking out, you can just move, trail your SL. So the rest of the thing we'll cover in second part, in order to cut short this video length. So take care, guys. Have a good time. Enjoy your weekends. Thank you so much.